I'm back in a brand new JS Fiddle project. Very simple, as you can see, just my view instance, which has this show property in the data field, and then two paragraphs in my div here. So if we run this, we see you can see me, and do you also see me? Now, as these texts already imply, we're now going to work with conditionally showing and hiding or attaching and detaching elements to the DOM. That's a task you'll probably see in all the applications you build. You don't want to show everything on your template all the time. Sometimes you only want to show an error message, let's say in case of a wrong input in a form input or something like that. So you want to conditionally show certain messages or elements on your page. Now, Vue.js, of course, includes some methods to allow you to easily do that. So let's dive into them and have a look at them. And I'm going to start with vIf. That's a directive we can add to a paragraph or to any element. vIf, just like that. And it allows us to bind it to a condition or to a property, whatever, which resolves to true or false in the end. This is the important thing. So I could bind it to show here to, well, show this since this is set to true. If I now add a button where I say switch or whatever you like, and then add a click listener where I set show to, well, the opposite of show, so I basically switch it. If I now save this, you can see that once I hit this button, you see the you can see me text disappear, and now it's back there. Important thing, if we inspect this, this is the paragraph element. If I now hit switch, you see it disappeared entirely. We only get this comment left, which kind of shows us that something was there, but it is gone. It's not hidden, it's not transparent, it's gone. And this is important to understand. vIf really attaches or detaches elements to the DOM. It not just hides them, it completely removes them if you, well, have a false condition here or if the condition returns false here. vIf can also be extended. I'll add a new paragraph. Now you see me, and I'll add vElse. vElse will automatically refer to the latest vIf in front of it, so this one here. And if we compile this, you see that we switch now between now you see me and you can see me. So I show the else condition whenever the vIf condition is false, which makes sense, like a normal if-else statement. Notice you don't have vElse if and so on. You would simply need to create a new vIf statement if you want to check multiple conditions. This is just a shortcut. If you know you get an either or decision, then vIf and vElse allows you to quickly get started and set this up. Also notice vIf shows the entire element and all nested elements. So if I nest the element inside this paragraph, for example this span, well, this is also affected by it. So it really removes the complete element and all nested elements, not just the element leaving behind the nested ones. No, that's not how it works. Everything gets removed or attached, whatever the condition says.